Hey cuties, and welcome to another video. My name is Kia. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing if you're subscribed, and if you're not, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the cutie gang. This video is just gonna be like nice, short, sweet, and simple because I really didn't do a good job of getting much footage. I actually did these nails around New Year's. This is supposed to be my New Year's set, but for some reason I just wasn't feeling the chrome, and I was just went with paint. And in doubt, I go with paint. So I was like, these will just be Valentine's Day nails, but I didn't get good footage, so I released my other set of nails first. But I still wanted to get these out because I really think they were really freaking cute. And I'm like, just like myself because I did not get any good B-roll footage at the end. You'll see what I mean. But this is the Model 1's. It's the pink glitter. So if you notice on the sticker, it shows like a pink sticker with some glitter on it. But yeah, I thought this was going to be like a little sheer glitter or whatever, and it's got the clear base, but it's not. It's an actual pink tint, and it's opaque. A little goes a long way, like you don't need a lot. And it covered, look how much it covered the nail just from one coat. Like I really did like this. This is the Model 1's color 0220. I put it on the bottom of the screen in the very beginning when it comes on. So if you're interested in this color, you should search for it. But I got this in like a pack with like 20 or 30 something colors for like 20 or 30 something dollars, and it was a lot, especially because I ain't had no money like that to be buying a whole bunch of different gel polishes. So it is what it is. But I cured that, and basically I decided to do the V French tips because I never really did like the V angle. I always do kind of like the rounded French tips where it's like round at the nail bed instead of like a triangle. But unfortunately, it's always hard for me to do triangles on myself because like looking on top of my nail from my angle, it's just, I always try to go straight, like a straight triangle, but with all the different, the nail is three-dimensional, so it's like high at certain points for the apex. So I don't know, it's just hard for me to draw a point. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Maybe let me know in the comments if it's you too. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe my nails are too thick in certain spots, but I also do that on purpose because of how long I wear my nails. I mean, hello, they're long. And side note, when you in the moment, you don't know what's happening. When I'm in the moment and I wear my nails this long, they don't feel like they look this long. I swear to you, to me, they still be looking a little short. Like sometimes I be like, my nails ain't long enough. Like I be comparing my nails to Bougie Barbie and like Local Black Child, people like that who wear their nails long. I'm like, oh, my nails ain't any longer. There's Child Boo. I look at this picture. Yo, these nails is long. And I'm looking at my nails now and I'm like, oh, they're not that long. But honestly, these ain't that long compared to how you usually wear them. I actually cut them down a little bit. Let me know in the comments, is it just me? But I really like this Beetles white. This, like, their colors don't got no names. It's just numbers. So I put this on the bottom too. It's the Beetles 894. But that's really all I wanted to come on here and address and let you guys know that I did do 2 coats of white on the tip, but thin coats. This white is very nice and opaque. You really don't need a lot. I didn't show both coats because I felt like it's very repetitive and redundant because it's the same process. Just be careful going around the points so that you know that the line is nice and neat. What else? Oh, I'm gonna put some charms on here, and you'll see that I have like a heart charm that has a space like in the middle, like an open heart. Please top coat inside of that because I did not do that before wearing charms like that. And the gel polish underneath is still kind of like a tacky or sticky layer on it, even though there's no wipe. You know what I'm saying? Like, but please top coat on there so that, because I had hair inside of the little hole one day I went looking. You couldn't see it from a distance, but up close you could. Now, y'all, I apologize. I didn't get no B-roll footage because I was really tired, and sometimes I don't always do it the day that I film, so I do it the next day. I ended up cutting my nails like a day or two later to break my son's hair down because my kids come first, so it is what it is. So that's why y'all gonna see this weird behind end result picture at the end, so don't judge me. But basically what they look like right here is what they look like for show, just with top coat. And also, I know I said in my last video, I know my hands be ashy, but this is pre-recorded, so therefore they're still gonna be ashy. So I'm sorry about that in advance, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and use my Madam Glam link below for some money off, and also to help me take that money and use it towards buying more nail products for this channel. Like I said, I need a new nail lamp, but honestly, I already bought one, so I'm not gonna. Of course, these dang old text messages. Sorry, Mom, but look at that later. But I need a new lamp because I think it's the reason why my polygel is not curing all the way through. So if you use polygel, also check on your lamp and make sure you got a strong enough one. But sorry if I sound out of breath, but that's because I'm brushing and I'm trying to hurry up and talk and think of everything I'm saying, and I'm doing it without catching a breath. But I think that it's all. I bid you all adieu, and bye, my cuties.